You're using ChatGPT wrong. Here are 5 smart ways students actually get work done faster. Whether you're studying, writing, or revising, these tricks will save hours every week. Use number 1. Summarize notes instantly. Copy and paste your class notes in ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT, summarize this in 5 bullet points. You'll get crisp revision notes in seconds. Use number 2. Create practice questions. Preparing for a test? Ask ChatGPT, give me 5 quiz questions from this topic. Then try answering them yourself. Use number 3. Explain hard topics. Prompt: explain binary search like I'm 12. ChatGPT breaks it down in plain words, perfect for quick understanding. Use number 4. Draft emails or essays. Need a project report or email? Prompt: write a polite email to my teacher about late submission. Edit it to sound like you. Use number 5. Plan study schedule. Ask ChatGPT, make a 2-week study plan for my maths exam. ChatGPT will map out your daily goals. 5 smart ways ChatGPT helps you learn faster. Summarize notes, create quizzes, explain topics, draft writing, plan studies. Try one today and tell me in the comments what worked best for you. New videos every week on using AI smartly. Subscribe for more AI study hacks every week. Follow on Instagram at Tutorial for Geeks.